Hi everybody, it's me, Becky, Youth Services Librarian here at the Longview Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to do our November Crafternoon craft, yarn wrapped mini pumpkins. To do this month's craft, you'll need your craft packet, which you can pick up in the library at the lower floor desk or in library drive-thru. And from home, you'll need some tape. I think masking tape works the best, but other kinds of tape will work as well. And some kind of a stick that you can find outside pretty easily anywhere because it's been so windy out. Inside your craft packet, you'll get 2 little balls of yarn and a couple of plastic grocery bags. If you need more, you might also want some more grocery bags from home. So the plastic bags are going to make the inside of your little pumpkin decoration. And the first thing to do is to lay them out flat here and have your tape handy. We're going to fold this bag into a little round shape. And I like to fold the top in and then fold in from the corners here. And then fold in more, each little corner, until you've got a little ball. So you can stop here and you'll have a tiny little pumpkin, or you can take this and wrap it up in the next bag and make it a little bit bigger. Like so. Now we'll use our tape and tape it together. That can also help you give the bag a little bit of shape. Our next step is to take our stick from outside, and you can either just stick it in the center of those folds that you made if you haven't taped over it, which I try to leave open, or you can cut a little hole for it to go. And then you'll probably want to break or cut with clippers or scissors your twig off so it's not too long. And then we'll finish taping this together, and next time I'll show you how to wrap your yarn. So now I have my little pumpkin ready to be wrapped, and I have 2 colors. You can do either color or you can do 2 at once, which is fun. This should give you enough yarn to make at least 2 pumpkins that are this size. And you can tape this down to start if you want to, and if you're an adult helping a little kid to do this project, that would probably make it a little bit easier for a kid. And then you just wrap your pumpkin until you can't see any more of your bag and tape. And when you've wrapped everything, you can cut the little ends off, and we'll just find a little place to tuck it under some of the yarn we've wrapped around it and tie it closed. And then I'll trim it close so you don't see the little wispy bits at the end. So here is my finished little pumpkin, and I think these are really cute little decorations for Thanksgiving. They make a nice little table decoration, and I thought too, if you have a longer stem, they'd make nice little placeholders. You could put someone's name on it and put it next to their plate. Well, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoy making your own yarn-wrapped mini pumpkins. Don't forget to pick up your craft packet at the library at the lower floor desk or in library drive-thru, and we'll see you in December for another Crafternoon craft packet.